Okay. Tommy?
Yeah?
You know how Dad had a drinking problem?
Yeah, but he worked real hard. Now he doesn't drink anymore.
But then he started drinking again.
He did?
Yeah.
He told me he stopped.
He stopped, and then he started again.
Why?
Couldn't help himself.
But he told me he stopped.
The drinking made Dad very sick.
I know. That's why he stopped.
He died, Tommy.
But I spoke to him last week.
He spoke to you, and then he died.
Why?
He drank too much.
But he told me he stopped.
He did. And then he started again, and he got sick and died.
But he told me he stopped.
I went looking for Dad's family. Tracked them down.
But we're his family.
He has a brother and a sister.
But we're his family.
You're right, we're his family.
He had no brother and sister.
You're right, they were just names.
He had no brother and sister.
Right.
So, he died. Did you stop doing drugs?
Yes.
Promise?
Yes.
You won't start doing them again?
No.
Promise?
Yes.
No more drugs?
No more drugs.
Promise?